From personalizing your lock screen photos to translating text using camera, here are 10 helpful iPhone tips you should know. Starting in iOS 16, you can lift the subject of a photo away from the background so you can copy and share it. Just touch and briefly hold the subject and lift your finger when you see the outline start to appear around it. Tap Copy to copy the lifted subject, switch to a supported app like Messages, and paste it. That looks pretty cool. Bonus tip: in Messages, send the lifted subject using the echo screen effect to really wow your friends. Also, starting in iOS 16, when personalizing your lock screen with a photo, you can customize it even more. Swipe left on the lock screen while in edit mode for a variety of photo styles, including color filters and more. And here's another tip starting in iOS 16. To quickly see the password of the Wi-Fi network you're currently using, in Settings, tap Wi-Fi and tap the Information button, which looks like the letter I next to the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Then, tap the password and use Face ID or Touch ID to unlock and reveal it. If you find yourself typing out the same phrase a lot, create a text replacement to get the message across faster. In Settings, tap General, then tap Keyboard, and tap Text Replacement. Tap the Add button, which looks like a plus sign, in the top right corner of your screen and enter a phrase into the phrase field. Then, enter the text replacement you'd like to use into the shortcut field and tap Save in the upper right corner of the screen. Now, whenever you type the text replacement and then enter a space, the phrase will automatically be added to the app you're typing in. Quickly access low power mode right from Control Center. In Settings, tap Control Center, scroll down, and tap the Add button next to low power mode. To open Control Center on an iPhone with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, or on an iPhone with Touch ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, then tap the low power mode button to turn it on. Select multiple photos at the same time and add them to other apps with this multi-touch gesture. Touch and hold a photo until you feel a tap, and then drag it away a little while still holding it. With a different finger, tap another photo to add it to the stack. You can select as many photos as you like. Once you've selected the photos, switch to the supported app you want to share to while still holding the stack. Need to take a picture quickly? You can swipe to open the camera on your iPhone without even having to unlock the screen. Just swipe left. Got it. Translate the world around you using live text. While using your iPhone camera, position the viewfinder over the text you want to translate and tap the live text button in the bottom right corner of the viewfinder. Tap Translate in the bottom left corner of the viewfinder and the text will automatically be translated to the language you have set for your iPhone. Did you know that you can scan a document with the Notes app on your iPhone? In a note, tap the camera button and tap Scan Documents. Position the document in the viewfinder and it will scan automatically. You can repeat the process again if you have additional pages to scan. Tap Save when you're done. In the Photos app, if you're looking for the first photo in an album, library, or search results, you can quickly jump to the beginning of the view by tapping the top edge of your iPhone screen. Tap the tab for the view you're in at the bottom of the screen to jump back to the most recent photo. And now you know a few tips to help you get the most out of your iPhone.